The coronavirus pandemic has continued to wreak havoc on various sectors of the economy, and education has not been spared. Learners stayed home for months as government tried to figure out how learning would resume safely. One of the conditions set by the Ministry of Health was that learners would observe a social distance of 1.5 meters to lower the risk of spreading the virus. This was, however, practically impossible, as most of the learning institutions, did not have space for expansion. Some schools, however, managed to build more classrooms but had trouble finding teachers to occupy them. Martin Maura now reports on how technology is solving this problem for a school in Murang'a.
At the height of the COVID pandemic, some schools managed to build more classrooms to factor in social distancing. Among them is Njiiri High School in Murang'a County, which now has 11 more classrooms, pushing their total to 47. But with the new classrooms, the school needed to employ 24 more teachers, which it could not afford. Ensuring safety of teachers was also another challenge.
By adopting technology, we were able to give all our lessons and make it even more interesting, or offer the lessons in a more interesting way, because it was possible for teachers to employ ICT, especially using PowerPoint presentations. They would run short skits, they would run videos during lessons. It was a little expensive. In total, we spent just about 2 million and about 300,000 on the entire project.
The system uses visual illustrations and videos to keep the students engaged.
The one teacher teach the 12, the 13 classes that we increased from one location. And we timetabled, or a timetable was created, whereby if it is a Form 1 that are taking virtual in a particular day, for example, Monday, all the subjects are allocated a time frame of a time slice of 1 hour, and the teachers teach those particular classes. We are using an application that we call TrueConf to teach, and this is a server-based application, or a server on-premise application. It doesn't require a lot of internet. Our school runs under a 5 Mbps per second, and that is very little internet. It is an application, an online application that is very fast, doesn't have downtime.
At the moment, Njiiri School is believed to be the only public school in the country using such a system. And the school is hopeful that as it expands, it will be able to have the lessons run even from home.
The setup is in a way that a teacher has a laptop or uses a laptop to teach. The laptop is connected, has a microphone, an external microphone to be able to capture the voice of the teacher. It also has a camera to be able to capture the teacher and whatever the teacher is writing if the teacher is not using PowerPoint. From the class side, we have a TV that is broadcasting what the teacher is doing. We also have a camera that is capturing the teacher, the students from class, and also a microphone that the students are using to answer the question, to ask questions to the teacher, and the teacher is able to respond to the students. Compulsory question, that is the question 16.
The principal said though this was an intervention measure taken during the pandemic, they will continue using it, urging other schools to embrace it. Martin Maura, NTV, Murang'a County.